Renewable news.
The passage of time gave the recent environmental energy source
Is disappearing, and this is due to the indiscriminate use them and little awareness that human beings possess by their environment. In this situation, almost catastrophic, humans, especially scientists, have tried to develop an alternative that leaves us at least hope. Thus were born the renewable energy, the rising cost of petrol and its derivatives has revealed the high dependence of the most of the countries with regard to fossil fuel. And that is why we all turn to look renewable energy. We understand that renewable energy is inexhaustible because their generation sources are the sun, recyclable waste, and wind, unlike repeatable sources such as coal, natural gas, oil, and uranium. The whole world, mainly in Europe, is being carried out the installation of various infrastructures that are dedicated to exploit renewable energy, but there is still no strong consensus for new facilities to spin to countries in Latin America. Many worry that this is due to lack of information, while others believe it is the lack of regulation on the requirements that facilities must meet. The linking this with the economy ensures that Latin America will have to wait a little longer or at least against a little more money to support this process. Although some people ignore renewable energy is the future. Do not pollute or at least do not a big way as oil or natural gas in addition to the use of which always some countries to free from the bondage of fuel market bond trade deficit it generates. The problem that affects more renewable energy it is poor economic performance and unlikely to compare with the renewable energies which have a cost and therefore lower price variable renewable energy. The most important renewable energy in the European market is the small hydro and wind. Unlike what most people think, the insulation of the solar energy is poor, and this is because even on the continent there are no large companies that manufacture at low cost solar panels. Anyway, it is believed that there will be much more renewable energy in a short period of time. It is estimated that the solar panels are manufactured in a short time stream and which in turn will extend its useful life and their application. Ways to get renewable energy. You can obtain renewable energy from old garbage, though many believe something a little strange. The process is to transformation the organic matter. Organic matter means seawaste, agricultural waste, tree trunks, livestock waste, etc. While should be obvious in this process that although we speak of renewable energy, is not free of contamination because the combustion of biomass made chemicals that often arise in any way affect the environment. Organic waste from the cities are often used in countries like the US to generate electricity, which in turn becomes part of the overall electrical system of the country. This electrical energy can be used to supply basic news nets of your home as heating, hot water, etc. Also, through our trash can perform our thermochemical conversion and vegetables using organic waste to generate heat through combustion. There are several types of conversion by hydrogenation, pyrolysis, hydrogasification by distillation, and fermentation, while in the biochemical conversion use the heat that is acquired from the decomposition of aerobic bacteria. They are tools that require oxygen. The most popular examples of this process are using fertilizers